Hello and welcome to the Crypto Street Trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and taking benefit from all the content that we're posting on our social media. So if you guys have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and join our Discord. We are posting a lot of content and information there, so you can actually take benefit from that. This video is about Ethereum specifically, and you can see we have posted, by the way, we have posted this analysis on our Twitter and in our Discord as well, so you can follow, and on the Facebook as well. All the social media you can find on our in our links. All right, so see the important triangle that this Ethereum is forming. So this ascending triangle, with respect, giving respect to the let me just grab this. So continuously giving respect to this trend line, and as you can see, we have this support as well. So what we think right now for the Ethereum, that there is a good chance that it will, certainly break this resistance of the triangle. And as you can see, multiple times tested the same zone multiple times. So it has been acting as a strong resistance, and this trend line is acting as a strong support. So we are good. It looks positive to us, and we are hoping that it will, certainly break this and move higher. And scenario is, although we have, CPI data out, so it's 0.1 a little better than expectation. So well, even if it breaks this support, what we expect that it can go drop and test this resistance here, and we hope, as you can see, we already have mentioned this. Okay, here. So we already have mentioned this. So this support will take the action, and we are hoping that after this it will start to rise again, and we can actually see a positive bullish move from here. So this is the current scenario, little analysis on the Ethereum. So you can follow this and take, align your trades according to that. All right, let's look at the BNB, and here is the falling. You can see and perfectly respecting the lines, as you can see here. Let me just grab this here. So you can see at this support, took the support here, and acting the upper, the line is acting as a resistance. So guys, what we are expecting next from the BNB, as you can see, so if it still moves, and the important thing to note is we are in the daily chart. So if it goes and tests the higher resistance, and still fails to break this out, then the support that we are looking for is this region, right, for 89.7, and if it breaks, then definitely it will go long, and it can still take support at this one and then start rising higher. So what we are looking for is if it successfully breaks this, what happens next? All right, so the next move, the next target we will be looking for is this green zone, which is at the 640 level. So you can see perfectly it's 633 to 640. So it's important to know that if we are breaking this channel, if we are breaking this wedge, then we are going to test this resistance here, and this is going to be a good target for us. So if we see, it is 20% almost after breaking. So this is good. Keep an eye on this, keep an eye on the supports as well, and we can definitely take benefit from this. Alright guys, this was a little update from our side, and you can look at the charts, and you can look at the analysis as well. So let me take you to the Discord server. Alright guys, so this is our Discord server, and you can see we have multiple sections and announcement section. As you can see, we have made some good spot trade profit without any leverage, and we are continuously trying to make effort. So in spot, you rise slow, but you rise definitely. So your portfolio is going to going higher if you are following our trades 100%. All right, you can join our server, and you can also we are providing all the trades, and you can see inactive trades. We have bundle of trades still available, and in our success you can also see the success that we have posted recently, and you can check our scores as well. Alright guys, so take benefit from this. Join our Discord right now, and you will also get bots to run. So in the bots you can run your automatically. You can just enter the details. You can see the video on here. You can see as well trading bots. So we have two type of bots available. You can use them, and definitely they will help you to generate passive income. So guys, join right now and take benefit from this. Subscribe our channel for more updates.